My bad, I'm not editing this. I don't want to waste none of your time. I don't want to waste your money. I want you to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. I want you to make millions of dollars. That doesn't hurt me at all. It's enough money in this world for all of us. That being said, I want to give y'all some free game real quick. Well, it's not free because you paid for it, but free game for now. YouTube is not about originality no more. It's not about being original. A lot of people forget that. There's very few people that blow up off of skits and shit like that. When I first started YouTube, I was doing skits. But now I moved on to like vlogs and pranks and shit. Y'all see what the fuck I be doing on there. So, I say that to say, you don't need to come up with ideas. You don't need to come up with ideas anymore. Now, let me say this. Originality is always key. Originality always will take you to the next level. But when you starting up and you trying to get your channel off the ground, you have to copy niggas. Yes, I said it. Ddg said it. When you want to get your channel off the ground, you have to copy niggas. You see me posting a video, you see my shit trending, you see me doing a prank or something and that motherfucker hitting 10 million views or 5 million views, however much it is, you see somebody else doing it, and this video and this trend is going on, copy that shit. Copy that fucking video. Do you hear me? Copy it. And this just goes for vlogs and shit like that. I'm getting to I got so much shit to tell y'all. It's gonna make y'all so much money. But for today, I want you to go on YouTube. This is for all my people that want to do YouTube. Go on YouTube. I need you to watch YouTube videos. I need you to see what's popping. I need you to check the views. I need you to read the comments. See the likes. All this shit matters. Whatever you see trending, whatever you see people fucking with, copy that motherfucker and put your own sauce on it. And watch what the fuck happen. And keep doing that shit. No cap. You didn't hear this from me, okay? I heard through the grapevine that very soon, very soon. I'm gonna say this just for the people that think I don't know what I'm talking about. I know everything, okay? Trust and believe I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Instagram finna start monetizing. Build your Instagram now. Ddg told you first. Now when you see me on Instagram making 10-minute vlogs, you gonna say Ddg told me so, right? Instagram finna start monetizing. Watch what the fuck I say. They owned by Facebook. Facebook been monetizing. I heard that Instagram finna start monetizing. But listen, you ain't hear this shit from me, bruh. No lie, no cap. Get your Instagram popping now.
Yes, sir. Buying 2 laptops. Subscribe to my OnlyFans. Giving away this week. No cap. Only to my OnlyFans people.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video on the Ddg Onlyfans. Now, in this OnlyFans, I'm literally trying to just help y'all niggas. You know what I'm saying? I'm literally just trying to help you win. That's my whole goal of this thing. So I'm gonna drop a gem on you. Very important. This is for the people that's monetized. If you're not monetized, I got something for you. I got basics videos coming, everything. I got a lot of creative stuff, a lot of jewels to give you a lot of gems and all that other shit. So, how do you make the most money on YouTube, you may ask? Okay, it's all about watch time. I get more in deep. I send you guys messages and shit. I give y'all more tips and shit in the messages for the people that really want to dig deep into this concept that I'm about to tell you. Not even a concept, a proven fact. I've been doing this shit for 6 years. You can't tell me how to do YouTube. I can tell you. So listen to what the fuck I'm saying. Don't ever doubt what I'm saying. I know exactly what the fuck I'm telling you. I have did this shit damn near my whole life, 6 years, whatever the fuck. Okay, let's get to the point. So, the main thing, how you make the most money on YouTube is watch time. Point blank, period. You got to get somebody to watch your entire video. Me personally, y'all know I put an ad every 2 minutes. You don't have to put an ad every 2 minutes. It's all up to your discretion. It's not about if you get 1 million views. It's not about this and that. It's about watch time. It's how long can you keep somebody on your video where those ads can play and then they leave your video, okay? So the key is to get somebody to watch your video from start to finish. In order to do that, you have to be entertaining, which means you have to be fast-paced. You gotta realize we got short attention spans. People click off quick. If you bore somebody for a split second, they're gonna click off, they're gonna go to the next video. So when you creating this video today or whatever the fuck you doing, think, how can I get this motherfucker to watch this shit all the way through and get this nigga to go to my next video? And when your watch time is up, YouTube ingests you into the algorithm. Trust me, I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Get that nigga to watch your whole fucking video and hit every ad. And watch what the hell happened to your views, no cap. This video strictly to you and your messages. And this is a big one. This is a big one. That's why I couldn't just make this free for everybody. I wanted to just send this to you. It's something called getting yellow marked and getting flagged. When you get yellow marked, it causes your video to not get recommended, and you also do not make any money. I figured out a way to finesse it. Watch this. So when you get yellow marked, I don't want you seeing my password, my brother or my sister. No cap. You ain't got no profile picture, so I don't know what you is. All right, so my case is a little different. I got self-rate. Some of you might have self-rate, some of you might have not. It's basically when you rate your own videos. If you don't worry about what the fuck I just said. I'm just talking shit. But if you don't have self-rate, then this turns yellow automatically sometimes. All you have to do, and I swear to God, nigga, this is not me scamming you or capping to you. I've been doing this shit for years, nigga. I'm not finna fucking tell you that again. No cap. But listen, this video right here, I uploaded this yesterday. All you have to do, if this is yellow mark, you go down here. If you got a custom thumbnail, make it into one of these thumbnails. Make it into one of the default thumbnails right here. And then after you make the default thumbnail, change the title. But before you do all that, make sure you hit review. So when you get yellow mark, you're able to review it. You know this already. Okay, listen, because you bought this. You know what the fuck I'm telling you. When this shit go yellow and they say review, click review. Then you go over here and you click. You change the fucking title to something very friendly. Change it to something friendly, but still has something to do with the video. Just change the title, go down here and use a default thumbnail and watch what the fuck I tell you. This is for the people that do not have self-rate. If you got self-rate, you just hit none of the above every fucking time. YouTube do not care. They're not really watching the videos. They only care about the first 30 seconds. You getting yellow marked because you cussing too much, or you got your ass in the fucking thumbnail, or you shirtless, or anything like that. No nudity, no skin should be shown in the thumbnail, and no skin or nothing like that should be shown in the first minute or two of the video. You get yellow marked, all you have to do is change the fucking thumbnail to a default thumbnail that it already provides you, and then you have to motherfucking change the title. This is not no cap. I cannot make this up. I've been doing this for years, like I said. Good luck with your yellow marks. Get rid of them motherfuckers. Come on. And before you test this method, make sure your video is family friendly. You know, don't have no ass all in the thumbnail, like I said, or in the first couple minutes of the video, and then expect to change your thumbnail to the default thumbnail and title, and then it just automatically go back. This is for videos that you feel is wrongly yellow marked. If you know your shit should be yellow marked, then don't even bother. You know what I mean? But if you feel like your shit yellow marked wrong because the system fucks up, change the thumbnail to a default thumbnail and change the title after you hit review. And watch what the fuck I tell you. Sometimes it take 10 minutes. Sometimes it take 20 minutes. Sometimes it take an hour. Sometimes it take a couple hours. But it's going to take way less than what that human reviewer going to do. Trust me. Good, y'all. Welcome back to another video with your boy Ddg on Ddg Onlyfans. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. You're not wasting your money. Don't listen to what the fuck the blogs want to say about me. I'm finna teach you a lot of shit. I'm finna teach you so much shit. We're only a week and a half in. We're just getting started. I got so many things to show you, so many things to tell you. I'm just trying to pass the torch, man. So I appreciate you believing in my vision and subscribing. I will not waste your time. Now, today's lesson will be very, very quick, very, very straightforward. You have to have characters in your videos. When I say you have to have characters in your videos, you can't make the video always just you in it. Whether you live with your mom, whether you live with your sister, your brother, or anything, you need to make those people that you surround yourself around every single day important in your videos. Plain and simple. Y'all know me, y'all see my videos. I might be with a female, a nice, pretty looking female, and a lot of people just attach to it, and that's just how it goes. People are very, very, very involved in my relationship life, which sucks in some ways, but it's also beneficial. That's what people just like to watch, you know? A lot of people are in tune with Lil TT, my sister, you know. A lot of people are in tune with woo-wah. So it's just about making your family and your immediate people that you hang out with important in your videos. You don't have to have just you in the videos. You can pull up on your homie and you can just film some shit. You know what I mean? Like even before I blew up on YouTube, I was doing little skits with my cousin. I always had characters in my videos. So when you make your videos today, if you don't have to film it alone, don't. Because you got to realize, you might not relate to that motherfucker watching your video, but your friend might. And they're going to become a fan of both of you. And they're going to continue to watch and watch and watch and watch. Now, they may watch more when your friend is in it, but it doesn't matter. It's your homie. You're around them all the time. Create characters into your videos, and it'll make making videos way easier. No capo. What's good, y'all? I just want to give y'all some quick motivation before I give you this next lesson, this next gem. Listen to me. Uploading one video today is not acceptable. It's just not it. It's not it. It's somebody uploading more than you that's getting recommended more than you, and they overshadowing you. You want to get monetized. You want to get into the algorithm. You want to do all this other shit. You need to drop more than one video today. Okay? I did it. You can do it too. Do it right now. Do it right now if you want to get the goddamn bag. No crap. Time. Look in this Rolex right now. This is the teller of time. Time is the most valuable thing in life. Money does not matter. Time means more than anything. You do not get this time back. The time you spend watching this video, you would never get that time back. So you must spend your time wisely. I say that to get double back straight to YouTube. No one gives a fuck about the best camera. No one gives a fuck about who can make the best edit. No one gives a fuck about subtitles. No one gives a fuck about who can do this, who can zoom in the best, who can do this and do that. No one gives a fuck about that. YouTube and creating on social media 100% depends on you. And when I say this to say, the editing, the fucking spending days recording, all of that shit does not fucking matter. Trust me. On the phone that I'm recording this video on right now, I made $120,000 off of this phone in a number of 20 fucking days. Swear to God, I'll show you the analytics. I made $120,000 off of this phone. I did not edit shit. I didn't edit a fucking thing. And it has nothing to do with just me. Once you realize it's not up to the camera, once you get off your ass, it's not about, oh, I got to learn how to edit on Final Cut. I got to learn how to do this edit. I got to get this equipment. I got to buy this and buy that. You don't need shit with your fucking phone. You don't need a goddamn thing with your fucking phone. So quit crying about that goddamn camera. Quit crying about that motherfucking laptop. You don't need that shit, nigga. I just made 120 fucking bands. Listen to what the fuck I'm saying. Get off your ass and go make that video right now. This shit don't take nothing but 10 minutes. So I'm working on this video showing people that's not monetized how to get monetized. I'm gonna post that for y'all tomorrow. But I want everybody to comment your YouTube channels below right now. I want everybody on this OnlyFans to subscribe to each other. Let's help each other. Let's uplift each other. So let's do sub for subs all in the comment section below. Drop your YouTube channels and I'm gonna be checking them out too. Do it right now. Comment below, comment below. Comment your YouTube channel. Subscribe to each other. Let's get it. Let's get this money. Let's go. Yo, I know it's late as hell, but I'm bored as shit and I'm at the crib by myself. So I decided to give y'all a little cheat code, quick little tip. When you're uploading your video on YouTube, tags. I was asked this question plenty of times. Y'all want to know what's the best tags to put. First of all, you got to start with your name. Spell your name in any way possible. Any way possible you think somebody will spell it like that. You have to think, when you think tags, you have to think outside of the box. You got to think as the viewer. What the fuck I'm going to type in this search bar? So whatever your video is pertaining to, type each word. Also, if your video is done by another creator that's bigger than you, type their name in there so you can be in their tags as well. Truthfully though, tags do not make or break your video. If your video is going to go viral, it's going to go viral. But it does help with the algorithm. So it all matters if your tags are relevant. With that being said, put other niggas' names in the tags if they did the same video you did. And whatever was said in the video that was memorable when you edited it, like anything. Think of every single title you can put for that one video. As many tags. The more tags, the better. But don't spend too much time on it, because your video gonna hit if it's gonna hit. Remember that. Quantity over quality until you're in the algorithm. No cap. Trust. What's good, y'all? So I got a lot of subscriptions, a whole lot of subscriptions. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Appreciate y'all for being, just interested in what I got to say and trusting in my knowledge. And I promise not to steer you in the wrong direction. So I want to give y'all a quick tool. A lot of y'all know my homie Flight. Flight Reacts. A lot of y'all are big fans of him. If you don't know who Flight is, look him up. It's my dog. So Flight does reactions. Flight blew up off of reactions. A lot of people don't know how to do reactions. A lot of people don't know the easiest way. A lot of people don't know the way that, you're able to upload 5 videos in one day or 10 videos in one day. You also may know another creator, other creators named Ddg Nation. When they first started, they was doing 15 reactions a day. Now you want to know how you able to do 15 videos a day? Every time I tell somebody I drop 3 videos a day, they mind blown. How do you do that? How do you do that? Very, very easy. I'm gonna give you a tool that you can use right now. Some of you might know this already, but a lot of you may not, so let me know. You can go on any computer, any Windows, Mac, anything. It's this the icon right here. So you'll basically just go into Google and you'll type in Streamlabs OBS. Now this site right here, this app, it's an app. So this app is very, 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 very useful. All I do for my reactions, you got to get your little webcam. You can buy your little webcam, Logitech. This shit is only like $30. Grab you one of those. Put it on top of your laptop or whatever you're using to make your videos on. Download OBS. And then you go over here to this plus sign right here. Go over to this plus sign. And then you hit, video capture device. And then once you click that, add source. And then you add your webcam or whatever, and that way you can drag your webcam around, so I can drag this wherever I want to drag it to and all that other stuff, all that good stuff. And then you come over here, you got your mixer, you got your desktop audio, you got your mic, your webcam, all of that. Make sure you have your desktop audio set right, and you have your mic ready to go, and you can react. Now, all I do, and I'll be getting more in detail and more private messages and shit like that. I'll be sending messages to people that really, really want to know like different types of things and in detail of what I'm talking about. But basically what I'm saying is I try to make these videos as short as possible. If you want to do reactions and you want to create a lot of reactions, remember this: the more videos, the more money you make. The more videos you make, the more ads you're able to put on the video without being annoying, which creates more revenue. So Streamlabs, the key is to upload as much as possible. A lot of people might tell you quality over quantity. Not when you're starting up. We're trying to get into the algorithm. We don't have time to post once a week. We don't have time to post twice a day. We don't have time to post twice a week. We don't have time to post 3 times a week. We got to post every single day. So sometimes you might not have time to be editing and stuff like that. And that's what Streamlabs OBS come into. So download Streamlabs OBS if you want to do reactions. It's super duper easy. You can get copyrighted for music, so be careful for that. But that's what I use to do my reactions, and I literally don't edit a thing. And the files are very small, so they upload quick. Good luck. No cap.